how to change language of G3470, but this method will work with all G34 G32 series. So let's start from the beginning. Now you can see here we have main menu. Now in the main menu, if you are not in the main menu, press home button, you will be on the main menu. Now press down button and you will see the gear option, gear icon. Click OK. Now here you will see lots of options, but you have to go for the second. As you can see, printer icon. Click OK. Now from here, if you don't know, if you can't read the other language, now what you have to do, press down button 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and you will see on the number 5, click OK. And here you can see all languages, so you can simply change your language from here. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, Dr. Mobo.